This is a guitar. It has handle or neck. It has a big body. It has 6 strings. It has head and tuning keys. It has saddle and a bridge. It has a breather, and you can make music with this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I have one more instrument here. What's this? It looks like a small guitar. Is it a small guitar? It has neck, it has a body, it has head, it has tuning key, it has strings, and it has saddle. It has also a bridge. But is this a guitar? No, it's not a guitar, it's a ukulele. And the sound is different. Can you hear that? The sound is so high. The pitch is higher because this is smaller. You can also make music using it. Anyway, I will not be singing more songs here because today I want to show you how we made this ukulele and how my students made it as well. And I hope you enjoy this video and watch and learn how we made this.
Ukulele, also called uke, is a member of the lute family of instruments of Portuguese origin and popularized in Hawaii. It generally employs 4 nylon strings. The tone and volume of the instruments vary with size and construction. Ukuleles commonly come in 4 sizes: soprano, concert, tenor, and baritone. In this project, we are using some of the ready-made part because it will be complicated for children to build this instrument from scratch. We started installing the tuning pegs. You will need portable drill and screwdriver and small wood screw to install the 4 tuning pegs. Tuning pegs are very important, for it will adjust the tune of each string according to the standard tuning. After the tuning pegs installation, we stick the fretboard on the wooden neck of the ukulele. We use quick dry glue or 502 glue to stick the fretboard and use an F-clamp or clip clamp to make sure that it is glued well. After this step, we add wood glue between the body and the neck to stick it together. We cannot use dry glue or hot glue stick to mount the neck and the body together. Wood glue is the best option to this part. After we apply the wood glue,
to try it again. Go, 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 go. And. Okay, and. Press. Go. More, yeah. Right. Hayo, hayo.
We stick it together and use F-clamp to make sure that it is in a proper straight position, making sure that the neck and the body are glued well. We need to wait for at least 24 hours before removing the clamps to make sure that it is glued well. While it is clamped, we started painting the ukulele. The students painted their own ukulele uniquely and does a great job of making it beautiful.
Wait.
It is time to put the 4 strings.
Make a small tie. You tie it together in small knot. And then after you make a small knot, then that will be good. And you have to put it on your saddle. And put it in the saddle and then connect it through.
It is time to put the 4 strings. We need to make a knot on the tip of each strings. It will serve as a stopper of the string. Then we can insert the string on the saddle string slot, making sure that each number of strings are on the right position. We adjust the tuning pegs to make the string tight. After the installation, we tune each string using a tuning app to have the right tune. String number 1 is A, string number 2 is E, string number 3 is C, and string number 4 is G. After we tuned it, then I started teaching them how to play the ukulele. First, we taught them the basic chords and the proper position of the hands in doing the chords. We had a lot of fun in this project and I hope you can make it too.
Okay? Yeah, and then you try it. Good.
这个声音是好的。
All. C, F. Good job, Jenny. That's good. Wrong. Wing, F. F good. F good. Very good. Everything juga musik. Oh, Kanisha. Strum. Good. E, C, 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 F, F, C, F, F, A minor, G7, G7,
根本搞不进去。
yeah,
抠啊！
G7, man.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something here and encourage you that you can make too your own project or your own ukulele. Always remember, stay creative and making is fun. Bye bye.